Hi friends, let me show you this set of two nightstands that I received. These are really nice. You will get all the accessory to assemble them, to put them together. They are two nightstands, okay? You get the assembly instructions, okay, on all the accessories. Let me show you the finish of the material. So it's kind of a wood, brown with black parts. Take a look. And we are going to put it together right now. You can see how beautiful these side bed tables are. I just finished putting them together, assembling them, and I am going to put them in my room. Thank you. As you can see, they look beautiful in my daughter's room. They are really, really nice. They give a nice touch to this room, and they are very practical because they have this drawer where you can put a lot of stuff and something nice underneath it in that shelf. So if you want to have new furniture in your room, these bedside tables are a great option. Really recommend them.